welcome back to my channel. So today another unboxing, slightly different. Yeah, I know, I say that all the time, right? I know I look very tired. That's because I'm filming at the end of the day, but this just arrived and it's something that I wanted to order, but it didn't come in time for Halloween. So yes, it's like 2 weeks late, but anyway, we'll see. We'll explore this together. Now today's video will be sort of about hair. It's about hair or headpieces. So okay, oh, it's very well packed. It is from Japan, and once you see it, you understand why I say it was supposed to come at Halloween time, but then it didn't. Oh my goodness, this tape, very well packed. It's amazing. Wow. Okay, goodness, I maybe should use scissors or something. Oh, not scissors. I should use pen knife. Okay, so everything's stuck together. Oh wow, they even sort of stuck it to the box so that it wouldn't shift during transit. Just lovely. Okay, thank you for buying from me. Please buy from my eBay again, not from the seller, when you have a chance. If you are looking for any items in Japan, please message me. I am waiting for your good feedback. I wish your good health. Isn't it lovely when you have a nice note from the seller? Okay, all right. It was a bit cheaper because it didn't come with a box, but I can see that it has a dust bag, which is lovely. It's kind of like jewelry. So I am a bit suspicious of this dust bag. It doesn't look like a, because I have here a genuine dust bag. The color is very different, and I don't know, not sure. And I knew this was a bit of a risk going in. I think, yeah, can you see? Very different, way different. And I don't know how I'm going to get this authenticated. That's why I kind of bought the cheapest. I've sort of earmarked a few. I thought I'll buy the cheapest one, and then at least then it's not such a big loss. Yeah, but I'm not sure how I'm going to tell if it's real or not. It's basically the Vivienne Westwood Devil Crown. I was saying to myself, even if it's not real, I'm still going to keep it because, yeah, not sure. Will I keep it? Maybe I won't. Maybe I will. There's just like a few weird things. Like, I think this is like tarnishing here. I'm not sure if you can see. It's like tarnishing. But it's basically devil crowns. I've kind of like broke my own rules because Vivienne Westwood jewelry is quite often copied a lot. So I don't know if I will like return this or something. The seller seems reputable, and I can see that there are 2 Vivienne Westwood orb logo. Let's see, it looks genuine in not genuine, like if it's a copy, it's fairly good copy, quite a good copy. Everything feels neat except for the dust bag. But these are devil crowns that are meant to sit like this, as opposed to the one that is on the headband this way, which sometimes I feel gives me a headache. That's why I was like, oh, maybe I'll buy these ones as one of my outfits, as part of one of my outfits for Halloween, but it kind of didn't arrive in time. doesn't quite sit on my head properly. So I don't know if it's just my head problem or is it a tiara problem. Very easily bent. So meaning it can possibly be shaped. I think this part should really sit flat on my head. But otherwise, it's kind of cute, right? So if you are like on eBay, they come in gold diamante, but I wanted the pink diamante ones. I don't know. Maybe I will just... It's cool. Like, you know, I mean, it won't give me a headache because it just sits nicely like a tiara. But I think what I need to do to wear this kind of tiara is to have my hair half up, half down, and then put the tiara on it, on my head, and then cover it with hair. Yeah, there you go. And then it looks like I have devil horns. The look is effective, wouldn't you say? Like, I think so. I think the look is effective. Oh, wow. I mean, well, this will be next year's costume, I suppose. Might not so sure. But I like it. I like it. Oh, well. Yeah, see, this is just... I'm not sure if it comes across. There is an authenticity card with some... So this authenticity card, I don't know why I'm even covering this, because maybe it's not even real. But it's got like... But you know, I've dropped it. These things can be faked. Wait. Oh, okay. We certify that this article has been manufactured according to the most rigorous quality standards that it conforms to the level of excellence you would expect from the Vivienne Westwood brand. I don't know. Doesn't have the date of purchase, but it's got like care of sterling silver, care of leather, care of faux pearls, care of costume jewelry. I don't know if this is, who knows. But I know that this tiara is not designed, it's not a recent design. So, I need to check it out. Yeah. But it's cool. It's cool as a little bit of a costume. I might just leave a less than stellar feedback. I don't know. The seller is not a new seller. Has got quite a lot of good feedback. But I think, yeah, this is like a good sort of, yeah, like a good format for devil horns without those ones that sort of pinch behind my ears, which I do have, but that's why I feel like they give me a bit of a headache. Yeah, okay. I mean, I'll think about it. You know, at the very least, well, yeah, it's a bit sort of wonky, but then I was told this is sort of pre-loved. See how like this one, this part is more bent. So I guess if I were to wear, I could bend it a bit down so that they sit more evenly. Okay, maybe. Because I think this one is better. It's because this part is more flush to my head. And so it will look like part of my head. Anyway. I'll think about it. All right. Okay, so I have boxes from genuine Vivienne Westwood jewelry. And usually it comes, but these are like 2 earrings. I've got 2 earrings, a pair of skeleton earrings. There's like a pearl with an all like small pearls, and then the other section goes onto my ear cuff, skeleton earrings, and it, I don't know. Let's, okay, so what have I got here? Okay, so I do have one of these. Let's check out the serial number, because you know what they say, the fake ones will have the same serial number. No, not here. Oh, there it is. Okay, so it is different. B13 blah 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 blah. I should go and check it out. So I guess let's, again, it's like a white bag, but then again, this is old, right? And therefore, okay, so they do have, yeah, maybe different dust bags. This care booklet. Handmade, Vivienne Westwood jewelry is range carefully finished by hand. Okay, so it looks the same-ish to that one. Just telling you how to care for their things. And this one is for my Alexa necklace. I have an Alexa choker. And, you know, the box is like tied up with this Vivienne Westwood ribbon, but it seems like not. So 2 of my earrings, gold, well, 2 of my items, so I only have these 3 items. Doesn't seem to have like that care card, but I don't know what to think. You know what, I can like Google, because what you can do is you can see if no, it doesn't, does it? So that's I don't think it's part number. It's not part number. So normally what I do, I type in on Google Vivienne Westwood, and then I type in, if I think it is the part number, it should, the internet should come up with the item I'm searching for. If it is, then it is genuine, likely genuine. Nothing. Oh well, I mean, I still want to keep it. B13. Okay, images. Let's go to images. No. Shopping. No, nothing comes up. Comes up with bags. AI mode. The search results do not provide information which item with this product code does not match any format of the Vivienne Westwood product. Well, I don't know. Maybe it is serial number. Not really like item code. I don't know. Who knows? But oh well. I'm still going to keep it, I think, because it's kind of cute. Well, see you in the next video. There'll be more posts out about my travels. Bye. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you.